Hello, in this video, I will show you how we can convert a number into text in MS Word. Here is the number. Select the number, press Ctrl F9, then add the equal to sign before the number, after the number, slash, asterisk or multiplication sign, then write CARD, card, TEXT, and then right click on the right click on it, update field. You can see number is converted uh, into words. So here in red, the sequence or command is a procedure is written. Select the number, then Control plus F9, add equal to sign before number, after number, slash star card text, and then right click and update the field.